Whoa! Nice. $32.22, $34.90. SD40-2, Indiana, Ohio locomotive at Ohio Central. Guys, you should have seen it. I just had a tree branch just go right up against my window. And power's out. Good thing I didn't open my window right away, because that branch would hit me in the face. I would have gotten pretty good bump on my head or something. A little scratch, but man, look at this. So strong storms are coming through on the east side of Newark, Ohio. Power's out. Not looking good. Well, correction. My power is actually on, so it's not out. So, I apologize. Alright guys, here's an update for you. I want to show you guys something real quick. Look at all this damage out here. Alright guys, I want to do a little update for you. Thankfully, we still got power. But look at all this damage from the storms coming in as they came in. Yeah, this branch right here, this one right here, is the one that hit my window. Thankfully, it didn't break it or shatter it, but I got a branch right there on the roof. I have not seen this much damage since the June 29th, 2012 derecho. Yeah. Our fence is damaged too. Oh my gosh, dude. That tree up there snapped like a toothpick. Oh, it's bad. Oh man, and there's another one right there. I'm not crying or anything, I'm just...
You gonna get this shit out of my yard? Yeah.
Good luck with that. Sorry for saying this, but... bloody hell. Oh, this is a mess. This is the worst damage I've seen since the June 29, 2012 derecho. This is bad. Alright guys, welcome back. A little update for you. All the storm damage out here on the east side of Newark, Ohio. Thinking this is damage from a tornado. Not sure if it's EF0, EF1, or 2. But leaning towards this being tornado damage. The church on Madison Avenue, Madison Street, the roof got blown off onto the street, so they got a lot of work to do out there. And then the State Farm Insurance place out there on 21st Street had damage as well. But this is either damage from a derecho, but I'm more than likely thinking this is damage from a tornado. I mean, look at this. We haven't had this much damage since the June 29th, 2012 derecho, but this is by far the most storm damage I've ever seen in my entire life. Yeah. I'm likely going to be cleaning up probably for a week, if not for a couple weeks or more. My maple trees got damaged. One of them broke, but hopefully everything will get all cleaned up back to normal soon. So, including my garden. Our garden. We'll see, but a lot of damage to clean up. But no worries, guys. I'm safe. A little shaken up, but I'll be alright. I'll be good. There's something I forgot to mention. The other garage right there. My bike is in there somewhere, so hopefully it's not completely damaged. One of our neighbors that used to live on State Route 13, Mount Vernon Road, gave that to me a few years ago. It's a 3-wheel bike. Hopefully it's not damaged. But this is the most storm damage I've ever seen. Ever. It's definitely a first time for me. We've had storms like this in the past, but nothing as bad as this storm was. Whew. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. It's going to be an interesting few days. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I got another update for you guys. The storm that caused all this damage on the east side of Newark, Ohio Tuesday was a very strong microburst. It wasn't a derecho or a tornado. It was a pretty destructive microburst. I mean, look at all this damage here. That's all the debris I helped my neighbors and my parents pick up. Garden took some damage, even my maple trees, they took a little damage. My grandfather had, his tree had a branch broke off, so I had to cut that off. And my aunt's tree, one little branch broke off, but despite all that, no fatalities, so that's a good thing. So, biggest storm I've ever seen. So, hopefully this don't happen for quite a while. So, but overall, I'm safe. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I wanted to let you guys know that I am back, and sorry I've been gone on YouTube for a little over a month, but more uploads are coming and more short videos are coming as well. I still got to get some more uploaded. I'm a little bit behind, if not a little bit or a lot behind, so. But anyway, I should be back for good, despite if anything else happens, but I appreciate all your support, each and every one of you guys, all the friendship we share together. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys helping me get through all this, and dealing with my dad having thyroid cancer, and him living with it and not having surgery has been pretty hard on me, but overall I'm back, and I want to let you guys know how much I really appreciate all your support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Anyway guys, stay tuned for more. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all so much for helping me reach my goal of 400 subscribers. It really means a lot, and I hope you guys can help me reach my next goal of getting to 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys can help me get there, I would really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the support and everything you've given me here these last couple years on my YouTube channel. And it really means a lot. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day out there. God bless you all. Keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And namaste and peace. And always remember that God is good all the time. He is always good. And He has your back no matter what. No matter how hard you're struggling. If you're depressed or have mental health, note to self. Always stay positive. Keep moving forward and never give up. And if you guys ever need prayer, feel free to ask. I'd be honored to pray for you guys. But like I said, stay strong, stay positive, keep moving forward, never give up. God will always be there for you whenever you need Him. But anyway, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, you guys are new to my YouTube channel, and you like videos of train videos, fishing videos, food review videos, food mukbang videos, outdoors and hiking videos, as well as other videos including prayer session videos, prayer session live stream videos, and other videos as well, including videos of special trains and so much more. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. And feel free to follow me on Twitch as well. I will also be doing streaming on Twitch as well. Feel free to give me a follow on Twitch, Outdoors with Austin Miller on Twitch. But overall, I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me over these last couple years on my YouTube channel. It really means a lot. And I have such wonderful friends in and around Newark, Ohio, and throughout Licking County. Even everywhere. I appreciate all your support, each and every one of you guys. And I hope each and every one of you guys has a wonderful and blessed day out there. And God bless you all, and keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And namaste and peace. God bless each and every one of you guys. You are awesome. You are all awesome, and always awesome, and 100% awesome. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all next time. Namaste and peace. Always remember that God is always there for you, and He's always good all the time. Stay strong, never give up, keep moving forward, and always stay positive. From the bottom of my heart, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos. It really means a lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And God bless you all, and keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day out there. And namaste and peace. Until next time, take care and adios. And God bless.